In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit or debit card from your eBay account. Whether you're looking to update your payment details or simply want to manage your payment methods more efficiently, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open up a desktop browser and log into your eBay account. While this task can sometimes be accessed on a mobile device, using a desktop browser can ensure all options are visible and the interface is stable, making the process smoother. So, once you're on your browser, head over to the eBay website and enter your login credentials. Make sure they are correct to avoid any hiccups as you proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a link that says My eBay. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to managing various aspects of your account, from your purchases to your selling activity. But right now, we're focusing on payments. In the drop-down menu, select Account. This selection will take you to a page where you can handle different account settings. This area houses all the options you need to manage your personal information and preferences. Look for either payment options or manage payment methods. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates and versions of eBay's interface, but both of these will lead you to the right spot. Now, within this section, you'll see a list of your current payment methods. This list will include any credit or debit cards you have associated with your account. Go ahead and find the specific card you're looking to remove. Keeping your payment methods up to date and relevant is a good practice for maintaining your account security and ensuring smooth transactions in the future. When you locate the card, you should see an option next to it that says Remove or Delete. This is what you'll click to initiate the removal process. Keep in mind, making changes to your payment methods will require a confirmation step, just to ensure everything is being done with your consent and awareness. Go ahead and confirm the removal when prompted. This might involve a quick pop-up asking you to verify that you indeed want to proceed with deleting this card. Once you've confirmed, the card will be removed from your list of payment methods and you're all set. And there you have it. Removing a card from your eBay account is as easy as that. It's important to keep your payment methods current and accurate for a smooth shopping experience. Thank you for joining us today and happy eBaying!